Now what's going on here? I reckon this is a blocked nozzle. Now this is actually a common thing that can happen, especially when you're running your pressure washer off tank water, because grime and debris can build up in the jet at the end here. Now fortunately for you and me, it's an easy fix. Let me show you how. Now all Ryobi pressure washers come with an instruction manual, and on the back of that manual is a cleaning tool. Now this cleaning tool is designed to go into the jet located at the end of the nozzle. All you do is move it around to clear away any debris that may be built up inside there. Now the great thing about these little cleaning tools is they can be used on any lance, no matter what style you may have. Now when you finish using this, always place it back onto your instruction manual. That way, you'll never lose it.
Ryobi, a cut above.